Make it good. Oh. Why are you there? So this is my performance protesting the fact that Mama wants to take a picture of how I get out because I don't want to reveal my secrets. Oh, I won't reveal my secrets. I don't want anybody to see me getting out. Oh, ow. Did you just bonk your nose? Oh, baby. Oh, give me a better performance. Oh, now you're going to show me, huh? Oh, woe is me. I'm coming, Mama. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get my mama. Watch this, folks. Uh-oh. Are we stuck? Are we stuck? How do you turn your leg around? Uh-oh. How do you turn your leg around? Did it a little while ago. What are we going to do? Whoa! Hello! There goes the leg. What are we going to do with it? Do we have a goal in mind, or are we just getting up there? Whoa! There's the monkey jumping on my bed. Juice. Goal accomplished.